Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is about the reveal of my newly renovated kitchen, the process that we went through, and how it all turned out. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my newest uploads. Bye bye, old refrigerator. We also did a backsplash of stone towels. So I'm going to show you how to remove the leftover grout that's on this towel. There's a very easy solution, but that is for another video. So guys, this is actually the second refrigerator that we ordered from Best Buy because the first one was too big and didn't fit. But in order to get it through the door, we had to disassemble it, and it only took Best Buy 5 days to deliver it. So after all of that, we finally got it to fit. This door is the reason why we had to order the second refrigerator, because we just could not get it to fit through the narrow entryway. So after all of that, we finally got it to fit. Isn't she pretty?
I like how it looks on the inside.
It has InstaView, which allows you to see inside without letting the cold air out, with quicker access to the items that you need. The refrigerator and freezer is very spacious and easy to compartmentalize so you don't lose your leftovers. I am satisfied with the overall feel of the kitchen. Guys, if you are still here, I love you for watching. Stay blessed. I will see you guys the next time. Get me high like you do, yeah. Ooh, I'll never get over you until I find